Hey guys, my name is Breton. I use he, him pronouns, and I'm the Young Adult Services Librarian at the Boyle County Public Library. I'm coming to you today to give you instructions on how to put together your LibCrate DIY project. In our LibCrate for July, we are reading the book Blanca and Roja by Anna Marie McLemore. The DIY project that I have prepared for you all is inspired by this book. Today we are making a swan sugar scrub. So, I'm going to explain what supplies you need from home and what supplies you're going to receive in your LibCrate, and then we will get started. Okay, so in your LibCrate, you're going to get a little condiment cup that has coconut oil, some purple sprinkles, and a little dollop of blue food coloring. You're also going to have a small mason jar that's filled with sugar. The things that you will want to use from home are a bowl and something to stir your sugar scrub with. I have a fork. And the first step in this process is to take the sugar out of your mason jar and put it in the bowl. Then you're going to take your coconut oil, sprinkle, food coloring, condiment cup, and we're just going to pour all of this into our sugar. And then using your stirring device, you can go ahead and stir this up. Alright, so once everything is incorporated together, what we can do now is put our sugar scrub back into our mason jar. Alright, and then we can put the lid on, and you have a wonderful sugar scrub that you can use anytime. Alright guys, that's all I have for today's DIY project. I hope you enjoy the book Blanca and Roja by Anna Marie McLemore. We're going to have a talk about this book on Monday, July 26th at 6 p.m. So if you're able to, I would love for you to join us. Alright, until then, take care, be kind, wash your hands, and we'll see you at the next thing. Alright, bye guys.